HackerFrogs After School is a cybersecurity program for learning beginner cybersecurity skills across a wide variety of subjects. This is the intro video to Python programming. According to Wikipedia, computer programming is the process of performing a particular computation, or more generally, accomplishing a specific computing result, usually by designing and building an executable computer program. Put in broader terms, programming is the process of writing instructions for a computer to execute. The instructions can result in output as simple as printing the answer to a simple math equation or a word to the screen, or as complex as the latest video editing software, games, websites, or countless other pieces of software used in our daily lives. Many different programming languages are used for writing software, and each programming language has its own advantages and disadvantages for developing different types of software. The programming language we will use to learn in these workshops is called Python. There are a lot of programming languages out there, so why are we learning Python? We'll go over 3 reasons. 1. Python is a very popular language with a very active online community, so there's a lot of support for students. 2. Python uses a syntax that is much closer to written English than other programming languages, so it's easier to read and understand. 3. Python automates some tedious operations common to other programming languages, such as memory management. Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language. What does this mean? Programming languages are classified as either low-level or high-level, depending on how abstract the language is, from the pure machine code that computer processors use. Programming in a high-level language has 2 major effects. First, abstract syntax allows easier understanding for people who need to read code written in high-level languages and write code using the same. Second, due to its high level of abstraction from machine language, processes using high-level languages are relatively slower than the same processes performed by low-level languages. In other words, high-level programming language code is easier to write and read, but programs created with that code are slower than programs created with low-level languages. Interpreted languages are programming languages that do not require compilation before instructions are run, as opposed to compiled languages, where programming code must be converted into machine code by a compilation program before it can be run. General-purpose programming languages are programming languages designed to be able to create a wide range of application types, as opposed to domain-specific programming languages, which typically are used to operate in specialized environments. In the next HackerFrogs After School programming workshop, we'll start learning Python with the Learnpython.org website. Until next time, HackerFrogs!